Welcome to Pad Manufacturing. We welcome and address all your questions regarding any printing or distribution service we provide. Once we reach an agreement, we will process checking upon the client's artwork design. Our designer will refine your final artwork for confirmation, thus proceed to print. Once print finished, we will pack up your items and send to our distribution team. Choose your distribution method and we will deliver the way you want. Our team will start distribution your flyer to the residential or shop area you choose. Everyone will see your ads on flyer about what promotion or offer you provide. We provide daily updates of the flyer's distribution process for a customer to track and evaluate the performance. You no need to miss any updates from us. Wait! If you're looking for other printing services, we also provide inkjet printing service, offset printing service, digital printing service, newspaper insertion, hand-to-hand flyer service and etc. Call us now. 012-719-8168. 017-295-8168. You also can send us an inquiry to our email address.
What we do here is go back.